Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mom and Angel TV. You're welcome. For those of you now who don't first subscribe, thank you so much. For those of you now who never still subscribe, still thank you. God bless you now. Today I say make I show you now how to make your hair grow faster. Under 1 month, you not gonna know your hair again. You must see changes for the hair. Okay, so now I say I can show you now the way me actually they grow my hair, the time when they do my hair. Okay, so the ingredient will not need no pass fenugreek seed. This fenugreek seed you fit get am for African shop, Indian shop. You fit get am for there. You know they're expensive now, just €1. Okay, and we need our olive oil. This is our olive oil. Okay, and we need our extract oil. So this extract oil, you fit get it for Amazon, you fit get it for AliExpress. Okay, I ordered my own from AliExpress, and you know they're expensive. I think I ordered my own €7. Yeah, €7. Okay, so and we need our container. Okay, you need container. Okay, what do we need to do now? Now just to pour some more of this fenugreek seed inside. See, pour small inside. Then you put your olive oil inside. You make sure say your olive oil cover the fenugreek seed inside. Put enough of oil. Okay, this is it. See it? Then you put your extract oil inside. Not all, but depends on which one you like. It comes in different name. Orange, tea. You can see. Don't know if you can see the names. Okay, it's different type, but me I prefer this one. So I just put small inside of it. You can see I dropped some. Just drop some seed inside. Okay. Then you are good to go. Okay. You are good to go. This is it. What you need to do next, just shake it. Shake it together. Then it's finished. Okay. Then you leave it for like 1 or 2 weeks. So that the ingredients go feel the fenugreek seed feel absorbed, if it contact with the olive oil. Okay, the fenugreek seed go feel absorb the oil. Okay, just leave it for 1 week. Believe me, if you use this fenugreek seed oil, you will contact me later. Okay, God bless you as you subscribe to my channel. In fact, like and share it to your friends. Okay, so that you can see more of my videos. Okay, God bless you all. I love you all, and bye.